We are looking at how to pronounce this word. In English, a lot of people pronounce it with an X sound at the end, but you do want to pronounce it with a proper S and then K sound. Asterisk. You do want to start the final sound with your tongue at the front of your mouth with a proper S. Try it. Asterisk, not asterix, but rather asterisk. Can you feel the difference in your mouth and the sound it produces? Asterisk. Did you get this? Was this any helpful? Let me know in the comments. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more words in English whose pronunciations aren't exactly always obvious. I'll see you there to learn more.